SOTA Offroad was founded in 2007. The whole company was started on a very unique idea. It was a manufacturing process that was never really done, merging two manufacturing ideas into one type of wheel. And that would be this forged wheel look combined with the cast wheel technology. So by putting those two together, we were able to create this contrast to the overall look of the wheel, and in addition to that, add a very three-dimensional element to all the wheels that we produced. Essentially, we make wheels in a traditional way when it comes to the casting, but after that, everything really changes. We essentially have to design the wheel twice. We have to come up with an overall design that works as a casting, but also it has to merge with a aesthetically pleasing and cool milling program that really brings the design out and really accentuates all the finer details that we put into the wheel. A lot of the design work is done through the entire team here. There's really no one that's left out of the process.
When it comes to styles in the SOTA Offroad lineup, a lot of the input comes from inside our offices and everybody throughout the company, but it also comes from the end consumer, the feedback we get from our big customers, and even the customers they work directly with. So there's a lot of input that we get back before a SOTA Offroad goes fully into production, hits a box.
And that's where it starts. It's a very rough drawing, a very, very conceptualized idea of what one or two spokes would look like. After that, that process is then transferred over to the engineers who draw it up in a computer-assisted drafting program, and then it's brought back to us either in a wireframe or in a solid model that we can rotate and manipulate. Really try to look at it from all the angles to make sure it's not only sellable, we have to really think that I would put this on my car. Because we don't want to sell anything that we don't really believe in ourselves. We have to love it. One of our primary factories is not only a wheel manufacturer, but they are also manufacture their own aluminums. So they have complete quality control of not only the wheel making process, but the quality control of the raw materials going into the wheel itself. We have a wide variety of finishes at SOTA Offroad. The first is our stealth finish, which is a matte black or a satin black. Our stealth finish gives our customers a very subdued look that is subtle yet sophisticated at the same time. Our polish finish is a very high luster polish finish. After that, we have our signature finish that we are the most well known for, which is our death metal finish, and that is a gloss black mixed with CNC milling. After death metal, you have ghost metal finish, which is very similar to the death metal, but the final clear coat process is a tint clear. Our anthracoat finish is one of our more unique finish options. It begins with a metallic gray conductive base coat, followed by a CNC milling process that captures all critical design features. After that, all of the milled surfaces are painted black to give an exceptional two-tone appearance. Everything we do with our finishes is about giving our customers that individuality and that option to make their truck or SUV look exactly the way they want it to look. Every SOTA Offroad wheel goes through the most rigorous testing standard available today. We test all of our wheels to the J2530 standard, and on top of that, they are FEA tested, water tested, X-ray tested, every single test that we could possibly think of to ensure that our wheels are the safest, strongest on the market today. All of our wheels are thoroughly inspected by both factory personnel and by SOTA Offroad personnel to ensure that every single design element has been properly and accurately manufactured into each and every wheel. It is then packaged with care on its journey to our Southern California facility, where it is eventually shipped out to our distributors and customers alike.